Hi guys, this is the toothpaste I use for my cat. It also comes with this brush right here. It looks like this. I usually like to wet the toothbrush a little bit first, and then I grab a little bit, about this much. As you can see here, it's gonna be about this much. Remember my brush right here. Then I brush the back. Brush the back. Okay. And then I grab a little bit more. Right here. And then the front little teeth. Right here. Okay, one more. And that's it. And then she gets a treat right after. So this is the malt flavor. Good job, Remy.